Question number 1. Which instrument is used to clamp the umbilical cord? The correct option is B. Cord clamps. Cord clamps is a sterile plastic device that close umbilical cord after birth. Question number 2. What is the function of a peak flow meter? The correct option is C. This is lung function. Peak flow meter measures peak expiratory flow in asthma patients. Question number 2. 3. Which instrument is used to examine the cervix and uterus? The correct option is D. Scoicospectrum. Scoicospectrum opens vaginal canal for gynecological examination. Question number 4. Which device is used for continuous cardiac monitoring? The correct option is C. Cardiac monitor. Cardiac monitor tracks heart rhythm, heart rate, and vital signs. Question number 5. What is used to give medication through inhalation in asthma patient? The correct option is C. A. Nebulizer. Nebulizer converts liquid medication into mist for inhalation. Question number 6. Which equipment is used for blood sugar monitoring? The correct option is B. Glucometer. Glucometer measures capillary blood glucose level instantly. Question number 7. What instrument is used for uterine dilation and curettage? The correct option is C. Corti. Corti used to scrape the uterine lining during D and C. Question number 8. Which instrument is essential in spinal anesthesia? The correct option is D. Spinal needles. Spinal needles is used to deliver anesthetic into the spinal canal. Question number 9. What instrument helps equate uterus after miscarriage? Correct option is C. Suction curette. Suction curette removes retained products from the uterus. Question number 10. What is used for mouth-to-mouth replacement in CPR? The correct option is A. Embue bag. Embue bag provides ventilation during resuscitation. Question number 11. What is used to suction a newborn's mouth and nose? The correct option is D. Bulb syringe. Bulb syringe gently remove mucus from the newborn's airway. Question number 12. What is used to provide controlled oxygen to neonates? The correct option is C. B. Oxygen hood. Oxygen hood delivers humidified oxygen to infant. Question number 13. Which device is used to immobilize a broken limb? The correct option is A. Cast. Cast keeps fracture bone aligned during healing. Question number 14. Which instrument is used to check intraocular pressure? The correct option is B. Tonometer. Tonometer measures inside the eyes for glaucoma detection. Question number 15. What is used to check oxygen saturation in non-invasively? The correct option is D. Pulse oximeter. Pulse oximeter clip the finger to measure oxygen saturation and pulse rate. Question number 16. Which instrument is used to visualize inside giant? The correct option is B. Arthroscope. Arthroscope used for diagnose or surgical intervention in giants. Question number 17. What instrument is used to remove tissue during biopsy? The correct option is A. Biopsy punch. Biopsy punch used to cut and extract a small section of tissue for testing. Question number 18. What is used to control bleeding in surgeries? The correct option is B. Hemostats. Hemostats clamps bleeding vessels during surgery. Question number 19. What device is used to visualize the inside of colon? The correct option is A. Colonoscope. Colonoscope used for full colon examination. Question number 20. Which device uses ultrasound to break kidney stones? The correct option is B. Lithotripsys. Lithotripper use shock waves to crush renal stones. Question number 21. What is used to detect fetal heart rate sounds at 20 to 12 to 20 week of gestation? The correct option is B. P2 scope. P2 scope special to scope for ejaculation and second trimester. Question number 21. What device is used to detect neonatal apnea? The correct option is C. Apnea-meter. Apnea-meter alert when neonates stop breathing for too long. Question number 22. What is used to detect hearing loss in school children? The correct option is A. Iodometer. Iodometer measures hearing threshold for each frequency. Question number 23. Which tool is used to check pupil reaction? The correct option is C. Pinch torch. Helps assess neurological response and pupil size. Question number 24. What device helps monitor brain waves in ICU? The correct option is A. ECG. ECG machine monitors electrical activity of the brain. Question number 25. What instrument collect the cervical cells for pap smear? The correct option is B. Aureus sceptola. Aureus sceptola scrapes cervical cells for cytology. Question number 26. What is used to visualize uterine cavity directly? The correct option is C. Hysteroscope. Hysteroscope camera scope inserted cervix. Question number 27. What is used to gradually open the cervix before uterine procedures? The correct option is B. Eger's dilator. Eger dilator smooth rods of increasing size to dilate the cervix canal. Question number 28. What is used to assess labor progress on a graph? The correct option is B. Far2 graph. Monitors cervical dilation, contraction, fetal heart rate, etc. Question number 29. What is used to administer your intrauterine medication? The correct option is D. Uterine cannula. This thin tube for introducing solution into the uterus. Question number 30. What is used to remove foreign bodies from nose and ears? The correct option is B. Thales forceps. Long curved ENT forceps to remove foreign object safely. Question number 31. Which device delivers oxygen at the control concentration? The correct option is B. Venturimeter. Venturi mask. Question number 32. What is used to check hearing ability? The correct option is B. Tuning fork. Tuning fork used in Rennie's and Weber's test to assess hearing loss. Question number 33. What instrument is used to test deep tendon reflex? The correct option is C. Reflex hammer. Reflex hammer used in neurological exam to test reflexes. Question number 34. What tool is used to reduce dislocated joint? Correct option is B. Bone lever. Bone levers left or move bone structure during orthopedic procedures. Question number 35. What is used to deliver controlled drug dose via IV? The correct option is D. Infusion pump. Infusion pump delivers accurate medication or fluid volume over time. Question number 36. What is used to test patellar tendon reflex? The correct option is B. Reflex hammer. Part of neurological physical examination. Question number 37. Which instrument opens the airway during intubation? The correct option is A. Laryngoscope. Allows direct utilization of vocal cords. Question number 38. What is used to immobilize a trauma patient on transport? The correct option is A. Spinal board. Question number 39. What is used to monitor heart rate and rhythm continuously? The correct option is B. Cardiac monitor. Question number 40. What tool is used for needle decompression in infant? The correct option is C. 18 to 20 gauge IV cannula.